Morning, dear students. Today we are going to see about blood vessels and its types, difference between arteries and veins, types of circulatory system. First, about blood vessel and its types. Blood vessels are a network of branched tubes that transport blood. There are three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. The red color tube is called artery. It is from the heart. That artery gives more branches. It is called arterioles. And arterioles gives sub branches, that is called capillaries. That capillaries are united to form venule. Venule means it is the branch of vein, and all the venules are combined to form vein. This vein is going towards the heart. This is what the structure of blood vessel. Arteries and veins. First, arteries. They are thick and elastic vessels. They carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. It carries from the heart, blood from the heart, and it supplies to all organs in the body. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Oxygenated blood means pure blood. Deoxygenated blood means impure blood. Then veins. Veins are thin and non-elastic vessels. They transport blood towards the heart from different organs. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein, which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. This is what the function of arteries and veins. Difference between arteries and vein. Artery, it is distributing vessel. Vein, collective vessel. Pink in color, artery. Vein, red in color. Deep location is artery. Superficial in location, vein. Blood flow with high pressure, blood flow with low pressure. Wall of artery is strong, thick and elastic. Walls of vein is weak, thin and non-elastic. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary arteries. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins. Internal valves are absent in arteries. Internal valves are present in veins. It may be asked as 2 or 5 mark question, so study well. Capillaries. Capillaries are narrow tubes formed by branching of arterioles, which then unite to form the venules and veins. They are about 8 micrometer in diameter. 1 micrometer is equal to 1 meter by 10 lakhs. Capillaries are formed of single layer of endothelial cell. The name of the cell is endothelial cell. That can be described in next picture. Many arterioles and venules are combined to form a network called capillaries. And inside the artery and vein, smooth muscle cells are present. Inside the smooth muscle cell only, endothelial cell is present. That is shown in the diagram. Types of circulatory system. All the animals, they comes under 2 types of circulatory system. One is open type, second one is closed type. Open type. The blood is pumped by heart into blood vessels that open into blood spaces, that is called sinuses. These sinuses are the body cavities, which are called hemocoel. Capillary system is absent. In hemocoel, the capillary system is absent. Example are arthropods. Example prawn is given. Mollusk. Example snail is given. Ascidians. In open type, from the gills, it passes towards the heart. From the heart, it comes towards the hemocoel. And in the hemocoel, it passes to the internal organs. It supplies the blood oxygen to internal organs. The internal organs, it gets the carbon dioxide and the impure blood and it passes towards the gills. So this cycle will go on. This is the example of open type. Closed type. The blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through specific blood vessels. The blood flows from arteries to veins through small blood vessels called capillaries. Example, vertebrates. In vertebrates, a nice example is ourselves, that is human being. Let us see in detail about the closed system. Here they have mentioned the red color is given as oxygenated blood, that is pure blood. Blue color is mentioned as deoxygenated blood, that is impure blood from all the parts of the body. Here from the pulmonary vein the pure blood comes towards the heart, and from the aorta it passes towards head and arms, and another via it comes towards the liver, stomach and intestine, kidney, through renal artery, and then lower body and legs. All the deoxygenated blood from head and arms will come towards superior vena cava, and all the deoxygenated blood that comes from lower body, kidney, stomach, liver, it will come towards inferior vena cava, and both joints to go towards the heart. That deoxygenated blood through pulmonary artery it go towards the lungs. In this way it works for the closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system was discovered by William Harvey in 1628. So only he was called as father of modern physiology. So that's all about today. So dear students, listen to the video clip carefully, understand it, study well, and write all the definitions, differences in your science classwork note. We'll see tomorrow. Bye.